Hello and welcome back to Cymru Rails. So brace yourself for a bit of a plot twist. Remember the heart-wrenching news of Hattons Model Railway closure back on January 8th? I even made a video titled Farewell Hattons, reminiscing about iconic original products that Hattons made, and it was January 31st that Hattons closed their doors. Well, brace yourself, because today we've got a bit of a turn of events. In a plot twist, the news just broke that Rails of Sheffield have swooped in to save the day. Rails of Sheffield announced that Hattons Model Railways has officially become part of the Rails family. It's a momentous occasion that I don't think any of us could have seen coming. I think we were all sort of, that was it. It was said and done. A bit of a ray of hope amidst uncertainty of our hobby, which has definitely sort of been a bit prevalent at the beginning of this year, with also Worley announcing that they were no longer going to be holding the large event at the NEC. So here's what Rails of Sheffield had to say in a statement on their website. We are pleased to announce that we have now brought Hattons Model Railways into the Rails family. It was a shock to the modelling world earlier this year when stalwart of the industry, Hattons, announced that it was to close. At Rails, we could not allow the legacy of this esteemed brand to disappear, and we have sought a way to keep the spirit of Hattons alive. Many customers have reached out to us, dismayed that the valuable resources on the Hattons website, such as the product database and expansive directory system, may be lost forever. Rails will soon relaunch those services and will continue to update them with new information. While the original Hattons store and business will remain closed, the iconic brand will live on. In their FAQ section, Rails have explained that the following acquisition, Rails of Sheffield, will relaunch the Hattons website and directory soon, offering a resource for model railway enthusiasts. While the physical store and warehouse will remain closed, customers can still browse items on the Hattons website, and links to purchase from the Rails of Sheffield store where available. Returns should be sent to the original manufacturer and not back to Rails of Sheffield, they also mention. And it's advised that you now create a new account on Rails of Sheffield, as the order history customer accounts will not transfer. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to just let you all know of the news of Hattons Model Railways joining Rails of Sheffield if you weren't already aware. It's a really fantastic development for our hobby, ensuring that the brand will continue to thrive. I'm personally thrilled by this announcement, and it means that the rich history and resources of Hattons will be preserved for future model railway enthusiasts to enjoy. On a closing note, I'd just like to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you who has supported my channel, Cymru Rails. As of yesterday, we reached 1,000 subscribers, and I couldn't be more grateful to each and every one of you for your continued support and enthusiasm for the videos, and it's been really nice, so thank you. It's been truly humbling to see the numbers going up every day. I wasn't expecting anyone to be watching, quite frankly. So I look forward to sharing more videos with you. On another note, I'm excited that this weekend I'll be in London for the London Festival of Railway Modelling at the Alexander Palace, so be sure to stay tuned because I will be putting up a video of the layouts at the show. So hopefully, I think it'll be Saturday night, I should be able to get that video out, so stay tuned. So thank you all for watching, and here's to many more adventures, and yes, it's very good news that Hattons is saved. Thank you for watching. Bye now.